Welcome back, guys. This is another lesson with Drew. It's the first full day of spring out here. St. Patrick's Day was the other day. So today I'm going to teach you how to play Irish Washerwoman, the first Irish song that I learned on the mandolin. And I don't know if you guys will catch some of the pollen, but there's pollen literally everywhere. It's a little crazy I'm doing this outside. Anyway, I'm gonna play it for you one time, and then we'll go over it. So, Irish Washerwoman in G. Whoops. Yeah, Irish Washerwoman. It's an old Irish traditional tune. It's pretty simple. The reason I picked this one out to play is because it's a really good chance to kind of play something easy. That being said, let's get into it. So if you're learning guitar, one of the first chords you're going to learn is a G chord, right? What's nice about the guitar is these three strings. I just switched picks on you, don't worry about that. D, G, B, well that's your first, third, and fifth of the G scale. Not in that order, but that's your fifth, first, and third of the G scale, which makes a G chord. So anyway, there's your G chord, right out the gate. So you're going to go up to the third fret on the D string, right? And if we know our G scale, that's where all of the notes are going to come from. So we've got G, A, B, C, D, E, F sharp, G. Okay, so we're going to start with D, go down a whole step to C, and then to B. Back to our G chord. So it's D, C, B, G, G, D, G, G. Alright, and then the next part, C, hold on. Okay, right, so. So it's almost, you started off with that and end with that. Right? Then to put your fingers into an A minor chord, which is going to be first finger on the first fret on the B string for a C, third finger on the G string on the second fret for an A, and second finger on the fourth string on the D string on the E. So the whole thing kind of moves up a position. You go from G to A minor, A minor. Then here you're going to play the E, D, C. right? So it went D, C, B to E, D, C. Ba, D, right? Sorry. So from the top. Then you do it again. Now here's the part that makes it Irish. You're gonna go. So that's C, B, C, D. C, B, C, A. D, C, A, B, A. So in triplets, because the way the Irish do it, it's in triplets. Like, because really the song is. Okay. So that's, you play that 2 times through, right? Do it again. Okay. So, the B part. Again, it's just the G chord, but this time we're gonna play some other notes, sort of. We're gonna play higher up. So we're gonna start on the G. 3rd fret, bottom string, the E string, 1st string, G note, D, B, go up to the 7th, 5, 3. So again, that's gonna go. So then we're going to go down to the 2nd fret, the F sharp, for the D chord. Nori wants to play. The A, G, F sharp, Nori. Okay, so let me start that part over. So let's do that again. Okay, now, so you're gonna go open, E, G, G, D, G, G, C, G, G, B. Then that riff again, that's kind of the Washerwoman part. There's probably lyrics to it. If you guys know the lyrics, you can put them in the comments. So anyway, again. That little turnaround right there is the one that'll take some time to kind of get that. Anyway, yeah, Irish Washerwoman featuring Nori on the Distraction. You guys don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check out my Facebook page at Drew's Music Corner, Facebook, and then if you go to drewratliffmusic.com, you can find other videos of learning how to play the guitar, like working on speed and dexterity. We really haven't, I don't think, gone into too much theory and harmony, Because if you want to learn that stuff, I suggest you sign up for doing some Skype lessons with me, which I think would be a great thing since everybody's stuck at home right now. You've got plenty of time on your hands to learn something new. So anyway, don't forget to wash your hands, wash your face, and make sure all your friends do too. See you guys later.